This video will be going through the H Perm. So in terms of recognition, the H Perm is one of the easier ones to recognize. It's the PLL which has 4 edges in the wrong positions, or you could remember it as having headlights on all sides. Now the thing about H perms is that if you pick any one side, for example this side, there's only opposite colors on it. So here we have blue and green, they're opposite colors. And here we have red and orange, and they're also opposite colors. And the reason for this is because H perms are an opposite edge swap. So these two swap, and then these two swap. So that's why we only have opposite colors. And so that's the recognition. So in terms of algorithms, there is only one fast algorithm for it, and it involves M and U moves, and it goes like this. So I use my left hand to do U moves and my right hand to do M moves, but if you do it the other way around, so if you use your right hand to do U moves and your left hand to do M moves, then you could do U's instead of U primes, and both algorithms will be in the description. Finally, recognizing AUF. AUF for H perms are once again rather easy to recognize, and they can be recognized by the front headlights here. So these are blue headlights, which means that when I finish the algorithm, I'll have blue at the front here. So when I get to the last layer and I see this is green headlights here, but it's blue. Blue's meant to be at the front, so I know that when I finish the algorithm, green's going to be at the front. So I'll have to do a U2 after the algorithm for the AUF. And there's the AUF. So because H perms can be done from any angle, instead of doing the algorithm first and then doing the AUF, I could do the AUF first and then do the algorithm. And so I think both are just as fast, so it's personal preference as to which one you want to use. So that's it for H Perms Made Easy. I hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.